everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss about application of stacks in data structures. So in this, I'm going to discuss about introduction to stacks and various applications of stacks like reversing a string, checking whether parenthesis is valid or invalid, infix to postfix conversion, infix to prefix conversion, and evaluation of postfix. So in this particular video, I'm going to discuss only about reversing a string. Remaining, I will discuss in the upcoming videos. So now let us see the definition of the stack. A stack is a collection of elements where we can insert and delete elements in the same direction. That means insertion and deletion of elements are allowed from one direction, that is from the top of the stack. So here insertion is nothing but pushing the elements into the stack, and similarly deletion is nothing but popping out the elements in the stack. So since we are implementing stacks using arrays, the stack will be of fixed size. And also we will consider a variable called top. Initially it will be -1. Based on pushing the elements into the stack, the top value gets updated. So when the stack is full and the user still wants to push the elements, then the stacks get overflowed. So similarly, when the stack is empty, that is no elements are present in the stack, and the user still wants to pop out the elements, then the stacks get underflowed. So stack is implemented using LIFO principle, which means last in, first out. So this is about the introduction of stacks. Now let us see the application of the stacks. So in this particular video, I'm going to discuss about how reversing a string works using stacks. So in this, first the user enters a string and each character is inserted into the stack one by one. So since a stack follows LIFO principle, the last entered character will be the first to be removed. So after entering all the characters, then we will pop out the elements one by one, creating the reverse like format. So after popping out the all elements, we will place a null character at the last so that it marks the end of a string. So this is the process of reversing a string using stacks. Now let us understand clearly with the help of an example. So let us consider we have a string called hello, HELLO. So implementing stacks, we need to reverse the string. So first we will create a empty stack of 5 characters. So at the first iteration, we will push H into the stack. So now top corresponds to the H. So at this second iteration, we will push E into the stack. So now top will be at 1. So now at the third iteration, we will push L into the stack. So now top will be at 2. And similarly, we will push L and O. So after pushing out the all elements, the top value will be at 4. So now we will pop out the elements one by one. And the pop out elements will be replaced with the string. Will be replaced with the given string. So at the first iteration, we will pop out O. At the second iteration, we will pop out L. Third iteration, we will pop out again L. At the fourth iteration, we will pop out E. And at the fifth iteration, we will pop out H. So as a result, the reversing of a string is implemented using stacks. So now let us execute a C program in the C compiler. So this is the C program for reversing a string using stacks. So initially we declared a character array called stack with maximum of 10 elements. And also top is initialized to -1, and we declared two functions which is push and pop. So inside the main function, we declared another character array called name of a maximum 10 elements. So after scanning the input string, we will push each string into the stack. So now let us see how push function works. So in the push function, there will be one input parameter which is character ch. So if top equals to max -1, that is top is equal to 9, we will print that stack overflow and return the function. So if not, then stack of 0 is equal to the current element. Stack of top is equal to ch. So now stack contains each variable, that is h, e, l, l, o. So now coming into the main function. So after pushing the elements, we will pop out each element and store it in original array, that is name. So now let us see the pop function. So inside the pop function, if top equals to -1, we will print the stack underflow and return a null character. So if not, we will return the current top element of the stack. So now the top element is stored in the original character array, that is name of I. So at last we will assign a null value at the end of the original string array and then print the reverse string. So this is the C program for reversing a string using stacks. So thank you for watching this video till the end. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts regarding this reversing of a string, or if you want to provide any feedback, please comment below. Thank you for watching.